going on, everybody? Today we are checking out the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm pretty excited for this one. I've been wearing an Apple Watch for years now. I pretty much have it on my wrist every day. So let's go ahead and check this out. It was $799. It is a bit pricey for sure when you can pick up a different one like the Series 7. Like the Series 7 here, it was about 400 bucks. And this is my older one. I believe this is the Series 4. So I went from Series 4 to 7, which was a huge update. The always on display, I think, is a must. So just a quick size comparison. Step up from here is just a couple of millimeters, so not very much at all. But the watch band on this Ultra one is going to be quite a big difference, and I'll show you the comparison. So let's go ahead and see what you get in the box real quick. I'm really surprised they ship these without plastic cover in the box. That way you can tell if someone's opened it or messed with it at all. So I'm very surprised they do that now. They do it on other Apple products as well. But I did get the Ultra, as you can see, 49 millimeter. I went with the medium large bands. And I went with the trail loop in blue gray. Very nice detail on the box. That is pretty cool. Here is the manual, showing off the different colors and the bands. This is an alpine loop. The trail loop is what I have, and then the ocean. Very good looking. I love the orange button. The dual speakers is going to be nice, as well as the action button that I'm not sure what I'm going to configure that to yet, but I'm glad it's there. All right, comes in two separate boxes, one for the band, one for the watch. Let's go ahead and open up the band really quick. I've never owned a band like this. I've always used these rubber ones. And I like the fact that this is just simply Velcro. It should make it even easier to put on. Here's the band itself. I went with blue because my truck is blue. And I think overall it's a pretty cool look. So it should be very easy to put on and take off. And I'll show you that as well. All right, let's go ahead and check out just how large this guy is. Everybody says they're shocked whenever they open it. And I'm really hoping it looks good on my wrist. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Let's first get to the charging cable. I've always been a big fan of braided cable, so I'm glad they chose to do that. I mean, you're paying $800 for a watch. That's kind of the least they can do, in my opinion. But I definitely like that. Definitely has a better feel. It's going to last longer. And it is USB-C. Of course, it does not come with the brick for the wall. Most people nowadays have a USB-C charging brick. You can pick them up from Amazon for like $10, so definitely not a big deal. Here is the watch itself. See how it looks and feels. Definitely a premium product. The titanium is really nice. It does have sapphire glass, so it will be very, very hard to scratch. This dial is really nice and smooth. Here's a quick comparison of the size difference. So the Series 7, I believe, is 44 millimeters, maybe 43, and the new one is 49. So it doesn't look that much bigger until you turn on the screen and start using it. I'm gonna power it on and see how it looks. This is just gonna be a quick unboxing video. I'll do a setup video for you, and then I'll do an update video in about a month. Within the next month or so, I'm gonna be going on a cruise, and I plan to take this with me. And I plan to even swim with it in the ocean and everything. And that's one thing I've never done with this. I've always taken it off and was kind of worried the salt water and stuff would hurt it. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this one with me since it is a dive watch as well, so should have no issues whatsoever in the ocean. All right, guys, there we have it. I think it's a great looking watch. I really like the trail loop because you can adjust it to exactly where you want it and feel comfortable, how tight you want it. And it's so easy to just put on, which I really, really like and appreciate. Whereas this one, you have to go to that exact hole every time, and sometimes it'll pop out while you're trying to put it on, or it's just not spaced perfectly to get that nice tight fit. So I definitely like that. And I think it looks actually really good on my arm. What do you guys think? So that's going to be just a really quick unboxing video. I'm going to do a setup video later after I fully charge this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did at all, smash that like button for me. Consider subscribing. All right, guys, if there's anything specific you want to see on this, definitely let me know down in the comments. If there's any tests you want me to do while I'm away, let me know, and I can try to do different types of tests for you and come back with real life results and tell you what I think of it. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful watch, actually. I don't feel like it's too big at all for me. I think it looks great. Thanks again. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one.